Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I have a true confession to make. I never knew that you should treat your bamboo and wood cutting boards until I got this awesome mineral oil. This is from Bays, and this mineral oil is a great protectant and conditioner for all of your wooden utensils in the kitchen. If you've noticed that the bamboo utensils you have or your wood cutting board has gotten dry, it's because you have not treated it with this great mineral oil. Completely odorless, so you can treat and condition all of your utensils and your cutting boards. I have beautiful bamboo wooden spoons that I have thrown away in the past because I didn't know that I should be treating them. Thanks to this awesome oil, you can see once you put it into the spoons or anything wooden, it treats them, it really polishes them up, and it also reinvigorates them to life. So you don't have that dried wood look, but rather this oil just gives them a nice protective coating. When you're ready to go and cook again, you can see that it really makes a difference when you're cooking, and it makes the pieces look absolutely beautiful. Especially when it comes to my wood cutting board, I really appreciate how much that this protects it. It protects it from those deep grooves that you might get from cutting, and then the wood does not get dried out. I'm really impressed with how simple and easy this is to use. I just put it on a cloth and then treat all of my utensils and things in the kitchen. If you're looking for some protectant, if you've never tried it, you definitely need to check out this brand. It is a really great oil to be able to use in your home for all of your cutting board and your wooden utensils. But that's just my point of view.